how to use AI powered paint in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Paint has introduced some new features. So, first thing is the background removal option. So you just have to upload the picture that you want to and then choose the area from where you want to remove the background. And then you can see this option here. This is the remove background option. It is on the left hand side. Just tap on it and then you can see that the background has been removed. Now you can even change it to dark mode. For that, you'll need to go to the settings icon on the top right corner and then you can see the dark mode. Just tap on it, you can come back, and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoy the new paint features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.